Happy birthday, Mare. I wish you all the best, good health, mag-ingat ka palagi, and miss na kita. I love you, Mare. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tal. Happy birthday. And ito si Marian, babatiin kanya ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Crystal.
Ayun. Nag-voice message na lang kasi kami. Kasi, ako masama laging pakaramdam ko. And thanks kay Wannabe. Kasi siyang nagplan nito. Pero hindi ako nakapag-video. Kasi masama lagi yung pakiramdam ko. Anyway, happy birthday, Tal. And sana many more birthday and more blessings. And alam mo na ako ano yung lagi kong wish sa'yo. Sana mag-asawa ka na. Sabi nga ni Marian, meron nga dito siyang kapitbahay. Ayaw mo naman kasi. Siyempre, dapat may makakasama kapag tanda mo. Kaya dapat mag-aasawa ka. Payag naman ng mami at daddy mo eh. 'Di ba? Okay, just enjoy your day. I love you. I miss you. See you soon.
Birthday, Ate Tara. Happy birthday, Ate Tara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is done.
Love you.
Love you.
Yung flying kiss mo.
Star.
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Tita
Tita.
Crystal.
Sister. Star.